Links. Now, links are found nearly in all web pages because they allow users to click their way from one page to another page. So we're going to talk about HTML links. Now, these HTML links are hyperlinks because an hyperlink is any text that you click and or image that you click, then it allows you to jump to another document, such as it can be a HTML document or a PDF document. Now, to create a simple link in HTML, the syntax is simple. We use a tag called a tag known as anchor tag, then set the href which will be equals to the URL which you want to go to. So let me just show you a quick example of how to do that. So we can have a and we have href. I'm going to set that. Then the value will now be the URL in which you want the link to go to. Then the text you want the link to display, let's say the link text. Then we have to close our anchor tag, our a tag. So let's preview this and see how it looks. Now, as you can see, this link text, it shows that it's a link, so you can click on it and it takes you to where you want to go. However, I didn't set any URL because I still want to tell you about something known as the local tag and global tag. Now you can have this thing linked to an outside website. Let's say you want this to link to something else. Let's say webbuzz.tech, https. Let's close this. So let me change this to so now when you preview this, when you click on this webbuzz, it should take you to the official webbuzz.tech website. However, you can have a local link. Let's say I have another file that is webbuzz.html. Now let's just say, let me create a simple paragraph. I would say welcome to HTML, welcome to webbuzz, welcome to webbuzz, and let's close this paragraph tag. Let me save this. Let me save my index.html. Now, instead of using HTTPS and the link to the website, since this is a local link, all you have to do is just the name of the file and make sure they're in the same folder, or else you have to indicate where the folder is. So let me save this again and let's preview this. Now when I click on this webbuzz, it will take me to the other webbuzz.html page. So another thing, okay, let's say in our styling tag, you can style our tag where we want it to be. Let's say our anchor tag, let's change the color to red. So our anchor tag, we've changed the color to red. So and now our webbuzz is red color. So There are other things. You can use image as your link text. That is inside here where you have your web box. You can put an image tag. There are a lot of things you can do with this uh, a tag, but basically the function of this a tag is just to link from one web page to a website, or from one web page to another web page. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.